Alright, picture this, you've just received your brand new Rogers Bank MasterCard. Sleek, shiny, promising points and convenience. You're ready to dive into that online shopping spree, grab groceries, or maybe just treat yourself to a well-deserved coffee. But then, the realization hits, you need to activate it. And you're wondering, amidst the hustle and bustle of your day, can you just pick up the phone and get it done? Has that thought ever crossed your mind? Because it's a question a lot of people have, and frankly, navigating the world of card activations can feel a bit like deciphering a secret code. So, let's break it down. Can you activate your Rogers Bank MasterCard over the phone? That's the burning question we're tackling today. First, let's establish why activation is even necessary. It's not just some arbitrary step banks throw in to annoy you. It's a vital security measure. Think of it as your card's personal handshake, a way to confirm that, yes, this card is indeed in the hands of its rightful owner. This process helps prevent unauthorized use, ensuring that if your card falls into the wrong hands before you've even used it, it's essentially useless. Now, Rogers Bank, like many financial institutions, offers multiple ways to activate your card. The most common methods include online activation through their website or mobile app, or, as we're focusing on today, by phone. Each method has its own set of pros and cons, and which one you choose often comes down to personal preference and what's most convenient for you at that moment. When it comes to phone activation, the appeal is obvious, it's direct and often feels more personal. You're talking to a real human, or at least, interacting with an automated system that guides you through the process. No need to fumble with passwords or navigate complex web interfaces. Just dial a number and follow the prompts. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Can you activate your Rogers Bank MasterCard over the phone? The short answer is yes, you generally can. Rogers Bank, like most major card issuers, provides a phone activation option. However, the exact process and the availability of this method can vary. Typically, you'll find a phone number specifically for card activation on a sticker attached to your new card or in the welcome letter that came with it. This number is usually a dedicated, automated line designed to walk you through the activation process quickly and efficiently. When you call, you'll likely be prompted to enter certain information to verify your identity. This might include your card number, your date of birth, your social insurance number, SIN, or other identifying information, and possibly the security code on the back of your card. The automated system will then guide you through the remaining steps, which might involve creating a PIN or confirming your personal details. Speaking to a live representative can be particularly helpful if you're facing any complications or if you need clarification on any aspect of your card. They can provide personalized assistance and ensure that your card is activated correctly. However, there are a few things to keep in mind when activating your card over the phone. First, ensure that you're calling from a secure location. Avoid activating your card in public places where others might overhear your personal information. Second, be prepared to provide accurate information. Any discrepancies in the details you provide could delay or prevent your card from being activated. Third, and this is crucial, never give out your personal information to unsolicited callers. Legitimate banks will never call you out of the blue and ask for your card details or PIN. Always initiate the call yourself using the number provided by the bank. Now, let's compare phone activation to other methods, like online activation. Online activation through the Rogers Bank website or mobile app is often preferred by those who are comfortable with digital platforms. It's typically quick and convenient, allowing you to activate your card from the comfort of your own home or on the go. However, online activation requires a stable internet connection and a device, like a computer or smartphone. If you're not tech-savvy or if you're experiencing technical difficulties, this method might not be the most suitable. On the other hand, phone activation doesn't require any special equipment or internet access. It's a reliable option for those who prefer a more traditional approach or who need immediate assistance. However, it can sometimes be time-consuming, especially if you need to speak to a live representative. Another factor to consider is security. While all activation methods are designed to be secure, phone activation might feel more secure to some, as you're directly interacting with a bank representative or an automated system. However, it's essential to be vigilant and ensure that you're calling the correct number. Now, let's talk about some of the common questions people have about card activation. Question 1. How long does it take to activate my Rogers Bank MasterCard over the phone? The activation process itself usually takes just a few minutes, whether you're using the automated system or speaking to a representative. However, the total time might vary depending on call volumes and the complexity of your situation. Question 2. What information do I need to activate my card? You'll typically need your card number, your date of birth, your SIN or other identifying information, and possibly the security code on the back of your card. Be prepared to provide accurate information to avoid any delays. Question 3. Can I activate my card from outside of Canada? Yes, you can usually activate your card from outside of Canada. However, you might need to use a specific international number provided by Rogers Bank. Check your welcome letter or the Rogers Bank website for the correct number. Question 4. What if I encounter problems during the activation process? If you encounter any problems, such as issues with the automated system or discrepancies in your information, you can usually request to be transferred to a live representative. They can provide personalized assistance and help you resolve any issues. Question 5. Is it safe to activate my card over the phone? Yes, it's generally safe to activate your card over the phone, provided you're calling the correct number and protecting your personal information. Always initiate the call yourself and never give out your details to unsolicited callers. In conclusion, phone activation is a reliable and accessible option for activating your Rogers Bank MasterCard. It offers the convenience of direct interaction and immediate assistance, making it a suitable choice for many cardholders. Remember to follow the proper procedures, protect your personal information, and don't hesitate to contact customer service if you need help. Ultimately, the best activation method for you depends on your personal preferences and circumstances. Whether you choose to activate your card online, by phone, or through another method, the most important thing is to do it promptly and securely. So, next time you receive a new Rogers Bank MasterCard, you'll know exactly what to do. You can confidently pick up the phone and activate your card, knowing that you're taking a crucial step towards securing your financial transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.